want to be.
There's also been some observations from other Premier League managers about what's been described as time-wasting tactics by...
Who doesn't do it?
Well, on that point, yeah.
Who complained?
Yeah. Well, there's been Jurgen Klopp and...
he time wastes.
Eric Ten Hag, yeah.
He time wastes.
Correct, yeah.
They all time.
Sam Allardyce, they used to call him the Big Sam. Big Sam, the head coach of the Leeds United Football Club, as here he is just speaking to us the next match of the Premier League. Of course, he used to say that Leeds players are well prepared. Leeds United is, of course, the leader for the matches of the Premier League, and of course, the only thing that Leeds United want is to make sure that they remain on the Premier League next season, and for sure, he wants to win every match. He wants to win the last matches of the Premier League. As here, the head coach is a Big Sam. Sam Allardyce says, of course, each and everything is possible in football. If only each, of course, department of the Leeds United will just fulfill their responsibilities, means the technical bench has to fulfill the responsibilities. The same to fans as well as players to the larger extent are also supposed to, of course, fulfill their responsibilities so as to remain in the Premier League next season. And of course, here, Sam Allardyce said players know well that they are in a bad condition, they are in a bad, of course, position, and of course, they just want to play Premier League next season. And Sam says he has told his players that they have to fight for the team. They have to fight until the end of the league, and of course that should be quite clear, as Leeds United is just in need of staying in Premier League next season. And these matches, the last matches of the Premier League they are going to fight like the war ground, because they just want points. They just want points and not